with the Audrey Adventures. Let's get started.
Okay, first we're going to put in the glue.
Yeah.
We're going to be using 2 bottles of glue.
Is this one mine?
Sure. Squeeze it. And now we're going to add some shaving cream. Can you help me?
Hold on. Do it by myself. What is doing?
Shaving cream. Here. Okay, so we are going to take red food coloring and blue food coloring to make purple. Let me help you because we don't want very much of this one.
Just a little bit.
You just put a little dot. Wait, show them. You gotta show the camera. Just put one little dot of glue. Let me put some red. And then a little dot of red. The same amount of red as we did blue. And let me mix it and then you can mix it. Whoa, that's so pretty. Okay, now we're going to take a pinch of baking soda. And some contact solution.
Can I put it in?
Yep.
I want to put it. Okay.
That's sprayed across the table. Okay, so now that we have made the slime and we spread it again over the table so that it's easier to put the squishies in, we are going to open our squishy packages. You ready, Audrey? Let's see what's in this one. Going out. What is it? A ducky! Oh, it's so cute and squishy. Oh my goodness. So squishy. You want to put it in the slime? Go ahead. There we go. Oh, it's a kitty. Oh, look how stretchy. Putting your horse in there too?
Look, it's laying down.
Yeah, so cute. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put these 2 in the middle. Okay, grab the next one. I'll help you. They're kind of stuck in there. Oh, 2 of them. They both came out at the same time.
I got them out.
A turtle.
I got them
out.
I got them out.
That's so cute.
I got them out.
Yeah, what did you get? A squishy unicorn. Oh, so cute. Another ducky.
Tiny ducky. It's a tiny
Aw,
ducky.
it's so cute.
It's a tiny ducky. Remember I got a tiny big ducky?
We got 2 duplicates. on to the next one. The first one is a little piggy. It's so cute. Aww.
I got the next one out.
What is that? Tell us in the comments what you think this is. I don't know what it is. That's so weird. Okay, let's get the last package. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a bear, and he has hair. Bear hair. Oh, he's so cute. Cute little yellow bear. Grab the next one. What is it? A polar bear. Oh, I love this one. He's so cute.
He's laying down.
Yeah, he is. Like this. Boop.
Hey,
Lay down.
wait, the kitty.
Okay, now
Like
it's
the
time.
kitty.
Yeah, now it's time to mix them all in.
Yeah. And
Whoa, this is so squishy.
hey, what's inside?
You know what's inside. Squishies.
Wishy.
Whoa. It's just like extra, extra squishy.
Hey, should we open that slime?
Yeah, we should.
Open.
Whoa.
Whoa.
We should have mixed this into clear slime. Comment down below if you guys want us to mix squishies into clear slime.
Is there something else in there?
They're all in there, all of the squishies.
What?
Super squishy slime.
Should we open this slime?
Sure, if you want to, you can take all of them out of there.
Ooh. What's this? What's this? What is this? What is this? It's the wishy toy. I'm gonna take out
Here, let's take out all the squishies. Audrey, which one was your favorite? Which squishy was your favorite?
This one.
The piggy?
Yeah.
Her favorite was the piggy. I liked a bunch of them.
I like a bunch of them.
I like these ones.
I
This turtle, this piggy,
I think this one and this one and this one
and the
that
polar
one,
bear,
and this one
and this
one.
bear. Audrey likes all of them.
Yeah.
I like the little duckies.
This is your farm, a big farm. This is your big farm. Made a really big farm. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to comment down below which
Don't
one was your favorite.
Comment below.
Which one was your favorite?
Which one was your favorite?